Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Children, from the last class we started our revisions, isn't it, children? From the last class we started our revisions because we have already finished our science syllabus from Science 2 textbook, isn't it, children? So last class what I have done, in the last class we have completed the explanation part of lesson number 1, rocks, minerals and soil. We have completed the explanation revision part, that lesson number 1, rocks, minerals and soil. So in this class we will move to the TB exercises of the lesson number 1, rocks, minerals and soil, children. So in this class I will going to start the revision of TB exercises, page number 156. Page number 156 from Science 2 textbook. So take out the Science 2 textbook, children, from page number 156, so that is TB exercises of lesson number 1, rocks, minerals and soil. Children already have wrote the answers here. Already I wrote the answer on the blackboard. So just directly see the answer and mark it in your textbook with a pencil. I hope already you marked in the class itself, right, children? So go through the TB exercises, check the spellings and check the true or false statements. Okay, children? Shall I start the TB exercises? Yes. So first main, that is in the TB exercises from lesson number 1, they have given A main, B main, C main and D main. There are 4 mains here. In that main, first main, A main, that is answer the following question. That is answer the following question. You already wrote the classwork, children, because I sent a note in ULO, isn't it? I sent a note in a ULO so that you wrote the classworks of lesson. You wrote the classworks of that answer the following, isn't it, children? So read that answer the following. In the interaction class, I am going to ask about this answer the following, children. Okay, please read the answer the following, and in the interaction class, be ready with the classworks also. Okay, be ready with the classworks also. Then coming to the B main. Coming to the B main, children. What is that? That is B main. Fill in the blanks. B main, that is fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blanks, they have given 2 options, children. In the bracket, they have given the 2 options. So you just choose the answer, write the answer in the dash. Okay. So the first one, fill in the blanks. First one, the red fort is made of dash. The red fort is made of dash. The red fort is made of sandstone. The red fort is made up of sandstone. The spelling is S-A-N-D-S-T-O-N-E. The spelling also you get in the options, right? They have given the options. So the second, fill in the blanks. Dash is used to make blackboard and roofing tiles. Dash is used to make blackboard and roofing tiles. The answer is slate. S-L-A-T-E, slate. The answer is slate. Then the second one, children, counterforming is a way of dash. Counterforming is a way of dash. The answer is soil conservation. The counterforming is the way of soil conservation. By the counterforming, we can avoid or we can slow down the soil erosion, isn't it, children? So the next one, fourth one, dash has a sponge-like structure and has many tiny holes. Dash has a sponge-like structure and has many tiny holes. The answer is pumice. P-U-M-I-C-E, pumice. Pumice has a sponge-like structure and has tiny holes. That is pumice. Next, the fifth one, last fill in the blanks. The layer of the soil below the top soil is known as dash. Layer of the soil below the top soil. which is that, which one is, that is subsoil. SUBSOIL, subsoil is the answer. Next, the C main. Next, the C main, match the following children. The C main, it is match the following. In the A column, what they have given children? Taj Mahal, India Gate, humus, slate and pumice. And in the B column, blackboard, white marble, fertility of the soil, scrubber and red sandstone. So we have to join with the column A in the column B. Okay. In the column A, first one, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, it is made up of white marble. So the answer is white marble. The answer for the Taj Mahal, it is white marble. So you can write in front of the white marble 1. So the next one, India Gate. How India Gate is made up of? India Gate is made up of red sandstone. So the answer is red sandstone. That is, just write the number 2 in front of the red sandstone. Next, the humus. That is humus, fertility of the soil. So here you just write the number 3. Humus, it is same they have given, that is fertility of the soil. And the slate, where we will use the slate rock? We will use in the making of blackboard. So this is 4th one. Then the pumice. Pumice we will use as a scrubber also. So the pumice, for the pumice, it is used as a scrubber. So just scrub in front of the scrubber, just write the number 5. So this is your match the following. Please check your textbook once, children. Okay. Next, the D main. Next, the D main. First one. Which one is the D main? Tick the correct statements and cross the false one. So that is true or false statements. They have given some statements here, children. We have to read the statement and write. If the statement is true, we have to put the tick mark in a box. If the statement is wrong, we have to put a cross mark in the box. Okay. So the first statement, the topsoil is soft and porous. The topsoil is soft and porous. Yes, the given statement is true. So that we have to put a tick mark in the box. This is the first one. Then the second one, children, loam is harmful for the soil and the crops. No, that is loam is harmful for the soil and the crops. The given statement is wrong, so that you have to put a into mark. So the contour forming helps to slow down soil erosion. Yes, contour forming helps to slow down the soil erosion. So the given statement is right, so we have to put a tick mark in a given box. That is third one. Next, the fourth one, children, plants take in food from the top soil. Plants take in a food from the top soil. Isn't it, children? Yes. The plants will take the food from the top soil itself, because the top soil is very humus. Humus, it is nothing but fertility of the soil. The top soil is always fertile. So the plants will take the food from the top soils. So the given statement is right. So you have to put a tick mark in the box. That is fourth one. The next one, fifth one, children, roots of tree and grass help to hold the soil together. Yes, the given statement is right. So you have to put a tick mark in the given box. Always the roots hold tightly the soil, children. The roots of trees and grass helps to hold the soil tightly, or helps to hold the soil together. So because of this activity, because of this reason, we may reduce the soil erosion. Isn't it, children? So this is your textbook exercises of lesson number 1, rocks and minerals. You already wrote in the textbook, children. Please go through once. Please check with the spellings and check with the answers also, whether you have written the right or what, and all you have to check. So in the interaction class, we will discuss more little bit or more about this TP exercises. Okay. In the interaction class, be ready with the classwork, children. I am going to ask about the answer the following. That is, first main A, answer the following question. I will ask that question in the interaction class. Thank you.